Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about Vwap, volume weighted average price, what it is and how you can use it to your advantage when day trading. The volume weighted average price, Vwap, is commonly used by day traders on intraday charts, and it is an indicator that traders use to help them see what the average price of a stock is during a given day. The volume weighted average price, Vwap, is calculated by taking the number of shares bought times the share price and then dividing by the total amount of shares bought. So basically it gives you a better understanding of whether a stock is currently at a good price to buy or sell. Aside from being used as an indicator to find the average price of a stock over the course of a day, it can also be used as an indicator to show the support and resistance level when you are day trading. It is not uncommon to have a stock that is trading below Vwap suddenly break through Vwap and increase in price quite dramatically, only to later return close to the Vwap level. So it is possible to look for breakout trades over Vwap or even shorting opportunities when hitting resistance on Vwap. So if there is a sudden flush down well below Vwap, it can become a possible entry point to go long, as there may well be a bounce back towards Vwap. So generally speaking, if the price is above Vwap, it is considered bullish and the Vwap becomes support. And if the price is below Vwap, it is considered bearish and Vwap will become resistance. If the price breaks above Vwap resistance, it becomes a breakout, as you can see here. If it breaks through Vwap support going down, it becomes a breakdown, as you can see here. So it really can help you make a more informed decision than just guessing where to buy and sell. But always remember that it is a guide and not 100% guaranteed. There is the possibility that the price could go straight through Vwap due to unforeseen news. As you can see on this chart of GNUS, there was a large sell-off the other day where the stock dropped straight through and well below Vwap. But as you can see, the price actually came back up towards Vwap later in the day. And that's it. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm.